guys. It's
almost
like
6 in the morning.
Yeah, it's almost 6 in the morning. Oh, we're up for some reason right now to get ready and go to Bengoh Dam. It's a little ways outside of Kuching, south, I believe. We're gonna be doing this whole guided tour, adventure, whatever thing. I'm not fully sure about it, but there's a bunch of us today. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But I don't know why. I know why we're up this early, but why does it have to be this way? My partner in crime is here.
And she's putting on her eyes.
Yes. Everyone watch her put on her eyes. Ooh.
Close up.
Yes. That's the stuff.
Do you guys hate it when it folds and doesn't get in?
Ooh.
Okay, this one got it.
Beautiful view.
And we're ready.
Yeah. I think we're ready now. Just gonna call the taxi and head off for a quick breakfast before killing ourselves today. See you over there. All right, guys, we've arrived at breakfast. We've got all of our kolomis, our fried noodles. Very nice breakfast, thank you. This is our team for the day. So now I'm gonna eat and we're gonna get right into the hiking. Venturing deep into the Borneo highlands. You can see the mists clinging to the mountains. What do you say?
I say Ukraine. That rhyme.
She doesn't believe me. And here you see the unsuspecting tourists getting on the riverboat to go off into the jungle. To who knows where. Hey, we've run into a situation.
Well, apparently they don't have a toilet in this whole area before heading up. So they do have a toilet once we arrive at the other point. So that's what we're going to do. He mentioned that there was a toilet at the security guard. So if you want to visit a toilet, you should do it at the security guard before coming into this space. So you won't end up in this situation. Because I'm not sure how long the boat ride is. And just after the boat ride, it could be like 20 to 30 minutes. Then only you could get your next break. So
yeah. So leave your iced coffees at home or pee at the security office.
Like I'm first time.
We've got the Crocs on the hike.
Yeah.
What made you make this decision today?
I left my shoe on the car and then I don't know where my shoe went to.
And then she drove away.
The next set of Crocs.
Well, it seems that the boat tourist that I was making fun of is us. And we're going down now.
Is this gonna be on YouTube, guys? After no, I'm just vlogging for fun. I just want to squeeze in on you. Can. Come.
And off we go.
Rock and roll.
We've got Mr. Rock and Roll over here.
Yeah, we're going over there.
The video ambassador.
Oh, video ambassador.
Yep.
Whoa.
Serious stuff.
Serious stuff. Things gonna get intense later. Check. Watch the video, okay?
You could drink something.
What do you think about the video ambassador?
Are you friend? This is my friend.
No, I totally, I don't know her. She just picked me up from the streets.
The streets. Because I'm from the streets, bro.
We met on the streets. I just saw him and I was like, oh no. I feel like, okay, let's just bring him here.
It was like, he may be a drunk puppy or something.
I don't know. It's only 8 in the morning. I don't know what he drank, but he's drunk.
It must be, this must be something in the coffee. Something in the coffee. Most definitely.
Okay. We've been told to relax. This person. Literally hand at the face. And as you can see here, we are heading to King Kong Island. Equipped with all the storm clouds and the small waterfall here too. Epic Universal Studios music. And then a Tyrannosaurus pokes his head through the jungle brush. Demonetized.
Oh my god, man.
Okay guys, don't bring your Gucci boots here because it's very muddy, very wet, and they will be immediately ruined upon arrival.
Does her atas mean like half an hour atas to the toilet?
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Ah.
It's not that far.
Also, as you can see, we're climbing the mountain on sticks. So if you're uncoordinated or hungover from the previous night,
like us,
maybe you should reconsider your decisions. It is very beautiful though.
In pairs at the bridge.
Huh?
Apparently it can't stand the weight, so we'll go in pairs.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Look at my leg.
Jurassic World, hello.
The first casualty.
Alright,
Just the two of us. Right after I slip. Thank you, my trusty camera assistant. Okay, here we go. So far, so good on the Crocs update. What is the condition of the toilet?
you can come here.
Are you still alive?
You haven't fallen in? I don't know, I think it's more dangerous just to get to the toilet.
Shall we grab my bag later? While I'm peeing. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Yes. But there is also a big, wide open jungle full of nitrogen fixing plants and animals. Do you concur?
Uh-huh. And it seems like we're near the waterfall.
Yeah, it does sound like we're by the
could hear it.
waterfall.
Yeah, exactly.
No, that's my waterfall. That's a big ass spider here.
Oh really? There's a big spider?
Yeah, it's right in front of me.
Does it look hungry?
Yeah.
Friendly?
Doesn't look like it. I mean, it doesn't look like it will bother you. Are you sure? It's very friendly. I prefer spiders.
Oh, there's 2 toilets.
Yeah, there's 2 toilets.
Well, the spider in this stall must be hanging out with the spider from that stall. What happened?
It's just dark.
Okay, it's pitch black now.
Yeah, pitch black.
Yeah, you can't see much, so hopefully good luck with your aiming.
Oh,
Good job.
Okay, what does this look like?
Hold it with Joe's back.
Oh, okay. Oh, we're not going down here? How do you feel?
there's also no trash cans, so when you have trash, you gotta hold it all the way, I guess, to the next spot.
Yes, don't throw
So-
your trash in the jungle.
Also, I'm not sure about it, but it seems like we could actually walk this trail without a guide. It's really simple.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I
Like,
think you
it's
could.
pretty obvious that this is the trail. Maybe
Yeah.
if you came here one time, but we don't know if that's a whole package, if you need the boat here and it comes with a tour guide. But I really don't think that you need one.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. But
It's literally
they
just one.
may require you to have one. And I guess this is, I don't know what this is. We'll find out on the other side. So they cut down the forest and stuff and burned it pretty much so they could try to make some paddy fields. I'm not sure for what. There's food all over the place in this area, so I don't know why they need more fields. But it is pretty sad to see, to actually be here and see it. But you see some green trying to take root again. We'll see what happens. Very sad.
Deforestation, guys.
Yeah,
It's just sad.
yeah, it is. And where you're putting him back where he belongs?
Falls down.
You looking for orangutan, right?
Home.
Yeah, I'm gonna float back home, you know. I'm gonna be like the baby otter that you always see on the internet. Like,
No,
Yes.
when we're on the boat later, he arrives.
And I'll just pray for you.
Yes, we'll find you later at Simongo.
You need to wait for him.
And this is the crazy bridge we're gonna go across this time. This is way longer than the other
sorry,
ones.
sister. Sorry, sister. Minta ampun. Minta ampun. Drop
Yeah.
him like you drop your shoes. Whoa.
Ouch.
I'm so sorry for that. On behalf of,
To the crux.
on behalf of my man, I'm sorry.
Don't do that. Don't do that, please. Dua.
Okay, the first victim, the sacrifice.
Kalau kamu sudah sana, kawan boleh. Sudah di tengah-tengah.
I don't know.
Dalton, yo.
Mine is bigger than yours.
That's what she said.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. 我的牛奶蛋的跟女人在我的 yard。
Guys, there's a lot of people waiting.
Okay.
I'm so embarrassed.
Just soak it in.
Journey continues.
Yes, the journey continues. We made it across. Nobody fell in.
And now we're in Vietnam.
Yeah, now we're in Vietnam. There's a lot of kimochi here.
Kimochi. Kimochi. Kiyomi, Kiyomi.
Sugoi desu yo ne.
Sugoi desu. Subarashi.
I forgot. What does that one mean?
Amazing, right?
Amazing.
A more amazing sugoi.
Yeah, yes. Amazing sugoi.
Not wrong. Yeah.
Amazing sugoi. Guys, we are racially sensitive. We just love language.
multicultural, guys.
Yes.
We have it all. In Malaysia,
Yes.
there's no such thing as culturally sensitive.
Yes, they're all Asian
goes.
anyway.
We're all just culturally numb.
Yes. Tell me more about your childhood and your schooling.
Oh, I had the worst childhood. It was the best. Wait, what? How does it even work, Iman? How does it even work? Yes.
We're all very gila here.
The Gila Barbie gang.
Gila Barbie gang. Gila Barbie crew. Represent. East side. Kuching.
Worldwide. 305.
Yeah, Mr. 305s. Sarawak calling out. Okay, this is the sound of nature, everyone.
Yeah.
This is what we came all the way to the Borneo rainforest for.
Oh, we have now arrived in Kyoto. The stairs of doom.
Okay, so we just found out that there's 2 waterfalls. The first one we can cool off in and whatnot, but the second one, and the one you probably saw on Instagram, is actually not swimmable. So that one's just for photos. But we're pretty much here now after we climbed that ridiculous jungle stairs. So we're across the bridge, and then you can see part of it right there as we try and cross here.
You guys can take a short break here.
Okay, we left the waterfall. We trekked a little bit more. It's very, very short. And we're gonna be at, where are we going?
We're going to the photo spot. And that's where,
Oh yeah, the second waterfall.
which looks like a whole bridge.
Yeah, there's like
Swing
waterfall bridge vista thing. I'm sure you've all seen it. So, and then we're gonna hang out there for a little bit because pictures. And then we're gonna head back down and hang out in the waterfall. Okay, and we have arrived.
Woo! View majestic zero.
All right, guys. So we made it past the Instagram spot, and now we're at the much better spot, in my opinion, right at the actual waterfall, where you can see all of this freaking rain, water, mist, whatever. It's crazy. And I'm getting very wet, so I'm also gonna put the GoPro away. But this is so cool and very refreshing. It's cloudy today, but it's so hot. I'm so glad that this is here right now. Okay, the GoPro died, guys. Sorry about that. So I couldn't get any footage of us swimming around, splashing each other like little kids. But it was very refreshing. Now we're just heading back.
Heading back to the boat.
Yeah, we're heading back to the boat, and then
So we're gonna use this phone to film instead. So
yeah, we're gonna use the phone, and I think we're going to get some like kind of traditional meal or something.
we're actually going to hike up another mountain.
Yeah.
There we have traditional food cooked and prepared for us.
Yeah, it's gonna be really good. And we're all very hungry now. So, see you at the top. Okay guys, we made it up the second mountain. And yes, we survived and we've been rewarded
with delicious food.
Yeah, it's and a delicious view. Check this out. Yeah, I think it's about to rain, so it's gonna cool off. And then we've got all of our food here.
Woo! Let's get it, boys!
Yes, Gangster Jack over there. Then we have some adorable puppy dogs. They're very cute. Even when they saw us, the little puppy tried to come to us, and then the mom was like, no, and stopped them. It's very adorable.
For the doggos.
The cute little doggies. All right, guys, we ate some food. It was amazing.
It was delicious.
We're so stuffed. Now we're just gonna walk back down, get on the boat back, and probably pass out for a few hours before going to the next dinner. So we'll see you next time. Hey guys, you want to say bye? YouTube, bye.
Ciao! Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.
Oh, thank you.